Arabian gazelle are shy creatures. They graze and browse the native plants, adapted perfectly for surviving in this harsh landscape. They are nervous animals, always keeping an eye out for danger. The pelicans take to the air to find their food and scan with their keen eyesight. When on the water, they stab with their beaks at lightning speed to scoop up fish into their pouch, which can expand in size. With their stomachs full and appetites met, they return to safe roosts. The mangroves are also home to the pink-backed pelican. They are gregarious and live in colonies. Their nests are strong and durable, often lasting years, and are made in the safety and security of the treetops.